In the world of cleaning, a common problem often arises. Picture this. You're armed with your trusty broom, dustpan, and mop, ready to tackle the dust and grime that's accumulated over the week. You sweep, you mop, but somehow it never feels quite clean enough. The dust particles and allergens remain, hiding in the corners of your room, clinging to your carpets, and making a home in your upholstery. Enter the Kirby vacuum cleaner, the solution to your cleaning woes. It's a game changer, a dust-busting powerhouse that promises to revolutionize the way you clean. Now you might say, but I already have a vacuum cleaner and it's doing just fine. Well, what if I told you that just fine isn't good enough? Consider popular models like the Dyson V11 or the Shark NV752. They're good, no doubt, but do they offer what the Kirby does? The Kirby vacuum cleaner is more than just a vacuum. It's a complete home cleaning system. Its powerful suction and HEPA filtration system ensure that no dust particle or allergen is left behind, giving you a clean that you can not only see but feel. Unlike other models, the Kirby vacuum cleaner doesn't just clean your floors. It goes above and beyond, cleaning your mattresses, your upholstery, and even your walls. It's like having a professional cleaning service right at your fingertips. But that's not all. The Kirby also outlasts its competitors, with its high-quality, durable build meant to last for years. While other vacuum cleaners may lose their suction power over time, the Kirby continues to perform at its peak, even after years of use. So here's the question to ponder. Are you really cleaning, or are you just moving dust around? Is your vacuum cleaner doing its job, or is it just scratching the surface? With the Kirby vacuum cleaner, redefine what it means to clean. Experience a cleaner home, a healthier environment, and a peace of mind that only comes from knowing that you're truly clean. So, how about it? Are your current cleaning methods cutting it, or could they use a little upgrade?